If the makeover of your bathroom is on top of your wish list, I have something special for you. I'm here at Di Lorenzo Tiles in Willoughby, and I want to show you this particular porcelain tile. Isn't this a beautiful tile with this gradient color? But the best thing of this tile is it comes in 1.80 meter height by 800 millimeters width. That means you don't need a lot of grout. And I know many of my clients, they just don't like the grout because they don't like scrubbing the grout. So that would be a solution for you. It can become the flooring of your living room, it can become your bathroom tile, or even your outdoor tile. So just wanted to show you that. If you have questions about your bathroom design, please go to my website martinahayes.com.au. There are information for free for you to download. Thanks very much for watching, and bye for now.